I'm Amber Parker. Welcome to the iHeart Studios in Tuscaloosa, Alabama. We get a lot of severe weather in Alabama, like tornadoes, a lot. And I just want to make sure that my whole staff is prepared in case we do get a tornado while we're at the office. So today, we're doing a surprise tornado drill.
What? What's going on out there? What the heck?
I'm busy.
It's locked. What do we do?
Who's in there?
Hey, open that door.
It's a tornado, Thomas. We gotta come in.
Really, Tom?
Get in there, Dan. Get in there.
All right.
I'm gonna buy the trash can.
You gotta shut the door. You gotta get the door shut. Okay.
I'm glad this is all
Wouldn't it be weird if we had...
This is our lighthearted take on a very serious subject. Trust me, I know tornadoes are no joke. But we wanted to take this opportunity to make sure that y'all are prepared for the next time severe weather comes through. If you don't have your severe weather preparedness kit ready to go, I've got a link for you in the comments so you can get that ready.